We should fix it before the next rain.
I brought tools to help, tools to help.
Let's place the ladder carefully.
The ladder is safe now. The ladder is safe now.
Take the hammer first. Take the hammer first.
This tile needs replacing. I'm putting in a new tile. The weather is improving. Whoa, that was close.
Let's move slowly.
Securing the tiles now.
We're almost done. The storm really damaged the roof.
The tiles are still wet.
It looks straight from here. It like we see nature from here.
This job takes effort. The roof looks much better.
No leaks left.
Time to get down.
The ladder is clear.
The house is safe again. Another successful repair. Prepare.
Teamwork always helps.
No rain worries tonight. Ready for any storm next time.